Hey everyone, it's Ryan here with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to recover WhatsApp chat history on WhatsApp when you're setting it up on your phone. Alright, so what you're going to do is just once you've selected and downloaded WhatsApp, just select agree and continue. And then select allow. Now once you've logged in, your backup from your last download or your last previously updated WhatsApp is going to be the first option that appears on the screen. And what you want to do here is just make sure that you can select and don't skip restore chat history. So it's pretty easy. All you select is restore, and then it will load here. And then select next. Then you can continue to update. All right, and now once you go to your settings, if you go to chats, the way to keep this all kind of up to date is by selecting chat backup and just making sure that the auto backup here is off on either daily or on daily, weekly, or monthly. So I'm just going to say weekly and then go back and back to chats. And that is how I recover my WhatsApp chat history once I download WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.